Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to remove harsh shadows on images in Photoshop. Firstly, go to the Layers panel, then click the new layer icon to create a blank layer above your image. Hit S on your keyboard and select it from the toolbar. At the top settings bar, set sample to current and below. Now go to Window, then Clone Source. In the panel, click the flip horizontal icon. This mirrors your clone source, perfect for copying from other side of a face to the other. Now hold Alt plus Options on Mac and click the sample from the good side of your face. Release the key, then paint onto the opposite side. Don't drag across large areas and do it in small dabs. Re-sample texture frequently to avoid repeating patterns. Now set the clone layer's blending mode to luminosity. This blends texture without copying color tone, exactly preventing a mirrored look. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.